Hey everyone, welcome to Imperial Gardens double break number 1056 of 1415 Premier. The last in the break was the Edmonton Oilers on August 10th at 6:55 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. To our current day and time. Click refresh. It's currently Tuesday, August 11th at 12:21 a.m. Eastern Time. We are broadcasting live on Breakers TV here. And also for anybody that hasn't registered on our break page, really appreciate if you did. Just register out there normally. We have some UD Ultimate breaks posted for Wednesday, so a couple random team and 10 box are there. And we do have, let's say, have two 10 boxes ending on eBay there. Keep an eye out for that. And these are boxes 9 and 10 from our case, so we don't have a serial number for the box just because we listed our breaks before we open our case. So we'll post the break video number 1051 below for the people that haven't been following this case from start to finish. So to our serial numbers, we did hand number them all, obviously. So 0342 was what was corresponding with box 9. Box 10 was 5317. Go over sales. And sealed. So I'll turn you this around here. Oh, damn camera. It's almost like a big flashbang that just happened. So here we go, guys. Yeah, I think Wolf can see that. I think he's in the room right now, Braid. So on to our first box, which is box 9, which was the 0342. Good luck, everyone. Okay, so there we go. And it looks like I'm gonna have our case hit here. Pretty thick stock card in the back there. Okay, so we start the break off with a base card. Focus number 10 of 249, Victor Hedman, going out to the Tampa Bay Lightning. And we have ourselves a 3-color. This looks like the Florida Panthers patch. I think this one could be an error. We have a William Karlsson Premier Acetate Patch Auto. It is 3-color, but last time I remember seeing these patches, they were off the Florida Panthers. So William Karlsson, 256 of 299. I'm almost 95% sure this is an error. So this is like an error patch inserted into the card there. So nice up there for Anaheim. It is one of a kind. I'm almost 95% sure that's the Florida Panthers patch from their away jersey. And we have a Kirby Reichel Premier Rookie Signatures going out to the Blue Jackets. And our next one is a Premier Jersey 2-color going out to the Chicago Blackhawks of Patrick Sharp, number 6 of 125. We also have a Premier Jersey of Evgeny Kuznetsov, 67 of 125 for the Caps. And nice. We have a short print rookie acetate patch auto going out to the Florida Panthers of Aaron Ekblad, number 109 of 199. It was turned into a pretty good patch. There is a little bit of gold in there too. There is a little bit of gold, so nice hit there for Florida. So whoever's the Panthers, if you do want tracking on it, just let me know, and we'll make arrangements on it. And a Premier Rookie of Andy Andreoff for the LA Kings. Second box here. 53-17. There we go. A big finish to the case. So tomorrow's breaks, we have a couple of all 4 boxes coming out of a case that we started off on our offline breaks there. So check out for that. And obviously quad ultimate and 2 cases of 14-15 UD ultimate case break ending. Sorry for the rant. So we got base card of Pecorine, 249 for the Natural Predators. And next one is a 2-color Premier Acetate rookie patch out of Yuri Catch, 151 of 249. Going out to the Montreal Canadiens. Sorry, I'm just going to turn this around just to show you guys it is Montreal still. Yuri Catch from Montreal. And our next one is a Premier rookie auto of Sam Reinhart. Going out to the Buffalo Sabres. What do you mean deja vu, Jay? And our next one, going out to the LA Kings. Too bad we got the bottom left corner there. We got a Premier chest logos of Jeff Carter, 16 of 18. Might have been pretty filthy. We got the main emblem piece there. So nice hit nonetheless for LA. And we also have a Premier jersey of Sean Monahan, 112 of 125 for the Flames. Premier jersey of Joey Heishin, 86 of 125 for the Avalanche. And a Premier rookie of Chris Tierney, number 8 of 249 for the Sharks. So there we have it for tonight, guys. So we have 2 cases of 14-15 Ultimate tomorrow, and double Premier and quad Ultimate.